Okay, tubes, I am trying to hone in my sharpening skills. This is a little thick, this blade. I got to finish working on that. I got these three done. This is a full tang Bowie. All right, bud. Oh. Got to get a little more leverage on that paper. And then I got this little guy here. It's a little 5-inch blade or something. And all right, let's get some better leverage. Okay. Maybe this one might need to be tuned in a little bit more. Now there you go. It's a matter of getting used to it. Every knife seems to be a little different. And then we got this guy, which is my new Buck automatic. This thing is like a razor blade. Get a good piece, there you go. But I'm getting there, a little at a time.